Is your Telegram app not updating on your Android device? Don't worry, this is a common issue and it's easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you simple solutions to get your Telegram updated smoothly. Before you do anything, open Settings, scroll down, tap Developer option. Make sure to turn on Developer option on your Android. Scroll down, find out these two important settings. First, enable Wi-Fi scan throttling. Scroll down a little. After that, restart your Android phone. Now try to update the Telegram and see what happens. If you have issues, then try to follow the following process. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa. Check out if your device is connected to a VPN. If it is connected to a VPN, disconnect it. Restart your Wi-Fi router or toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. Solution 2. Free up storage space. If your device has low storage, you need to free up some space to update Telegram. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Device Care. Tap on Storage. Check how much free space is available. If it's low, you may need to delete some apps, photos, or files. Solution 3. Clear cache for Google Play Store. Open Settings again. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for Google Play Store. After that, tap on it. Go to Storage. Select Clear Cache. Solution 4. Update Google Play Store. Turn it off. Now open Google Play Store. Tap on the small profile icon in the top right corner. Tap on Settings. Select About section. Here, tap on Update Play Store. That's all for today. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more helpful tips.